What if I told you that some lawyers in America earn more money than celebrities, business owners, and even top engineers? Sounds unbelievable, right? But it is true. Right now, lawyers in the United States are among the most powerful, respected, and highest-paying professionals in the world. They fight major legal cases, protect companies, argue inside courtrooms, and sometimes even influence politics, business, and society. But here comes the biggest question. How can someone actually become a lawyer in America? Let's understand the complete roadmap. First of all, you need to understand that becoming a lawyer in America is not easy. It requires confidence, communication skills, critical thinking, and years of hard work, because lawyers handle serious legal matters that can completely change people's lives. The first step is completing your basic education. Students usually finish high school and then move toward college in America. Future lawyers first complete a bachelor's degree before entering law school. Interestingly, your bachelor's degree does not always need to be related to law. Some students study political science, business history, economics, or even psychology before applying to law school. But during this time, students must improve important skills like speaking, writing, debating, researching, and logical thinking, because these skills are extremely important for lawyers. Now comes one of the biggest steps in the journey: the LSAT, also known as the Law School Admission Test. This exam is very important because top law schools in America use LSAT scores to select students. The test checks logical reasoning, analytical thinking, reading skills, and problem-solving ability. After passing the LSAT, students apply to law schools. This is where future lawyers study constitutional law, criminal law, business law, civil rights, contracts, legal ethics, and courtroom procedures. Law school in America usually takes 3 years. And honestly, it can be extremely stressful. Students spend countless hours reading legal documents, preparing arguments, studying case history, and practicing legal writing. But this training transforms students into professional legal thinkers. After finishing law school, students still cannot officially become lawyers immediately. There is another major challenge called the bar exam. The bar exam is one of the toughest professional exams in America. Every state has its own bar examination, and students must pass it to legally practice law. Many students spend months preparing because the exam is known for being mentally exhausting and highly competitive. Once someone passes the bar exam, they officially become licensed lawyers and can start practicing professionally. Now let's talk about career opportunities, because this is one of the biggest reasons many people choose law. Lawyers in America can work in criminal law, corporate law, immigration law, entertainment law, technology law, family law, real estate law, international law, and many other fields. Some lawyers work for giant companies. Some work inside courtrooms. Some become legal advisors. And some even enter politics, business, or media. And honestly, the salary can be massive. Top lawyers in America sometimes earn hundreds of thousands or even millions of dollars, depending on their specialization, experience, and clients. But reaching that level takes years of hard work, networking, consistency, and reputation building. Another important thing many people do not realize is that technology is changing the legal industry very fast. Artificial intelligence is now helping lawyers analyze documents, research cases, and automate paperwork. However, human lawyers are still extremely important because courtrooms, negotiations, emotions, ethics, and legal judgment require human intelligence and communication. That is why skilled lawyers will continue remaining valuable for many years. Now, another important question. Can someone become a lawyer in America without being born there? Yes, absolutely. Many international students study law in America. Some specialize in international business, immigration, or corporate law. Others work with global companies and legal organizations. But one thing is common in almost every successful lawyer: strong communication skills. Because law is not only about knowledge, it is also about persuasion, confidence, and the ability to think under pressure. And honestly, the future of law in America still looks very powerful. Businesses, governments, celebrities, and ordinary people will always need legal protection, advice, and representation. So if you enjoy debating, solving problems, understanding laws, and speaking confidently, becoming a lawyer in America can become one of the most respected and successful careers in the world. And if you combine intelligence, discipline, and communication skills, the legal profession can completely change your future.